Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make 姜酒鸡. Literally is ginger, cooking rice wine. It's actually yellow cooking rice wine and chicken. Right? Only thing is I added 2 fried egg on this dish. And usually last time I only cut the ginger into chunks or slice. Today I actually feel like eating ginger, so I actually julienne the ginger, yeah, make it into thin slices, thin strips like this. And I have some. This is approximately 500 grams of free range chicken, 2 fried egg. This is 1 bowl of the homemade, of course not made by me. I bought it from the wet market. The homemade type of cooking rice wine. This is about one similar amount of water. Now, if you prefer the wine taste to be stronger, of course, you can also use 100% of the yellow wine here. Usually, I will mix half-half. First of all, we are going to start with frying the ginger. And I'm going to mix sesame oil with normal vegetable oil. This is actually the oil I used to fry the egg just now. So why is it you want to mix the sesame oil with vegetable oil? Is because if you just purely use sesame oil to fry, it may turn bitter. It may, yeah, not necessary, but it may. Once you heat up the oil, throw in the ginger. This is actually a very popular confinement dish. So when you really do it for confinement purpose, then you can really use up to 100% of yellow wine itself. And also you can put in a lot more ginger if you like. So we are going to fry this ginger until it is at least half brown. This will take a couple of minutes. But I'm telling you, the whole process is going to be so fragrant because of the sesame oil and together with the ginger. We will come back shortly. So this is after about 3-4 minutes. Slowly frying, okay, using a medium-low heat. Don't use too high heat, it will burn the ginger. So almost 70% of ginger here has already turned brownish. I will take out half of it, leaving the other half here, and I'm putting in the chicken. Now, chicken I just briefly marinated with some salt for a couple of minutes. Now we can up the fire again. Oh, this is even more fragrant because now besides the sesame oil and the ginger aroma, you can also feel the fragrance coming out from the free range chicken. Right? Next thing we do is to put in the yellow wine. Be careful if you are using a fire stove, it may burn, yeah? It may burn if you are using a fire stove. I suddenly hit the button. Okay, can continue. And let's add hot water. Why do you want to use hot water? Because you don't want to reduce the temperature of your wok. Some parents are a bit worried. They say, "Hey, Appa, yellow rice wine actually contains alcohol. How is my kids is going to eat it? Is it safe or not? Got alcohol?" Don't worry. Through the cooking process, all the alcohol will 100% be evaporated. Don't worry at all. So let's bring this to a boil. It has started boiling. You can now actually put in the fried egg. And you can turn down the fire to medium low and let it simmer or boil for about I would say 15 minutes lah. 15 minutes. Alright, this is after about 15 minutes. Definitely fully cooked. So super fragrant. Now, the final seasoning for this particular dish can be nothing, because you don't really need to put salt and sugar. It will be very flavorful already. But let's have a taste. If necessary, I will then add some just to taste. It's already very good. It has the natural sweetness in it. Perhaps I will give it a little bit of salt. Done. That's how simple the seasoning is. Right, let me dish it out. Okay. Here's the chicken and the egg, and pour the broth over. You can really drink this like a soup here. And not forgetting some fried ginger that we took out just now, earlier on. Right, done. Here's Appa's ginger yellow wine chicken. Alright, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.